In the pursuit of building muscle fast, enthusiasts often find themselves navigating through a labyrinth of advice, techniques, and supplements. The path to achieving substantial muscle gains swiftly requires a strategic approach, blending nutrition, training methodologies, and recovery strategies. Here, we delve into a comprehensive guide that unveils the keys to accelerating muscle growth effectively. Calorie intake, the foundation of muscle growth. Calories serve as the fundamental currency for muscle growth. To build muscle quickly, you must consume more calories than your body expends, creating a surplus that fuels muscle repair and growth. However, this surplus should be controlled to prevent excessive fat gain. Aim for a moderate caloric surplus of around 250 to 500 calories per day, primarily sourced from nutrient-dense foods. Protein, the building blocks of muscle. Protein stands as the cornerstone of muscle growth, supplying the essential amino acids necessary for tissue repair and growth. To optimize muscle gain, aim for a protein intake of 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Incorporate high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based protein supplements into your diet to ensure adequate protein synthesis. Supplementing with creatine, enhancing muscle performance. Creatine supplementation has demonstrated efficacy in promoting muscle growth and enhancing exercise performance. By increasing the body's phosphocreatine stores, creatine enables greater energy production during high-intensity workouts, leading to improved strength and muscle gains. A daily creatine monohydrate supplementation of 3 to 5 grams can significantly augment muscle growth, particularly when combined with resistance training. Increase training volume, stimulating muscle hypertrophy. Training volume, defined as the total amount of weight lifted multiplied by the number of sets and repetitions performed, serves as a critical driver of muscle hypertrophy. To expedite muscle growth, progressively increase your training volume over time by adding more sets, reps, or weight to your workouts. Implement strategies such as pyramid sets, drop sets, and supersets to challenge your muscles and stimulate greater muscle fiber recruitment. Eccentric training, maximizing muscle damage. Eccentric contractions, characterized by the lengthening of a muscle under tension, induce substantial muscle damage, a key stimulus for muscle growth. Incorporate eccentric-focused exercises, such as slow lowering phases during resistance training movements, to elicit greater muscle tension and microtrauma. By emphasizing the eccentric phase of exercises, you can effectively trigger muscle hypertrophy and accelerate gains. Frequency of training, targeted muscle group workouts. To expedite muscle growth, adopt a training frequency that allows for adequate stimulation and recovery of targeted muscle groups. Aim to work each muscle group 2 to 3 times per week, employing a combination of compound and isolation exercises to ensure comprehensive development. Distribute your workouts strategically throughout the week, allowing sufficient rest between sessions to optimize recovery and minimize the risk of overtraining. Prioritize rest and recovery, essential for growth. While training intensity and volume are crucial for stimulating muscle growth, adequate rest and recovery are equally vital for maximizing gains. Ensure you prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support muscle repair and regeneration. Incorporate rest days into your training regimen to allow your muscles to recover fully from intense workouts. Additionally, employ recovery modalities such as foam rolling, stretching, and massage to alleviate muscle soreness and enhance recovery. Building muscle fast requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses strategic nutrition, targeted training, and optimized recovery strategies. By focusing on caloric intake, prioritizing protein consumption, supplementing with creatine, increasing training volume, emphasizing eccentric efforts, targeting muscle groups with high frequency, and prioritizing rest and recovery, you can unlock the fast track to muscle growth. However, it's crucial to remember that consistency, patience, and dedication are paramount on this journey. And make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. By implementing these principles diligently, you can accelerate your progress and achieve your muscle building goals effectively.